Good morning, profit traders, and welcome to Hit-And-Run Candlesticks. This is Rick with Rick's View. Yesterday, the SPY opened up over the T-line and the 20 simple moving average. Had a rough go of it early on, put in a low near our lower trend line, and the bulls brought us back up very nicely up to the 34 exponential moving average and our upper trend line. And near the close, we had a slight little pullback, which one would expect to be normal. We now have a swing low buy signal with the T-line coming up over the 34. That helps us with our momentum. We use that as a momentum indicator. At this point today, I see no reason why we should not see a higher high today than yesterday. Now, the close might be questionable, whether or not we're going to close over that upper trend line or the 34, but I do expect to see a higher high. With a positive close, it looks as if we are headed up to the 50 simple moving average and this upper channel line. And then from there, maybe we can get to the 200-day moving average. We have to keep following the trend. We are trying to break out of this wedge and this bearish flag, but we need to get above the 34 EMA to do that, and we need to see price run a bit. I'd like to look at three charts right now. The first chart's going to be TLB. This is a chart we bought a couple of days ago, announced in the trading room, and why. It's TLB. We have a big bullish engulf. It came up over the T-line, couple of dojis, and then another bullish engulf, and now it's had some follow through. We entered back here on the bullish engulf. It still looks great, still has more room to the upside. I think this is a buy for us, and I will look to add to my position on positive strength today. The other chart I'd like to look at is RMW. This was another one that was posted in the trading room by one of our fellow traders, and you can see that this is forming a nice little J hook right here. We've got our first move to the upside, a nice easy pullback, pretty much nothing but dojis, and then yesterday it really started to fly with a positive candle. We're trading above the 20-day moving average. The upside targets looks like first the 34 exponential. That kind of coincides with these highs of the gap down, and then from there we're looking at the 50 and possibly the 200-day moving average. This has the possibilities of being a nice profit-making chart. When you consider it's a $7 price here and the 200-day moving average is up around $12.50. That's a great profit potential there. The next chart I'd like to look at is ABAT. ABAT is one that a few people in the trading room have been holding. I was in it and closed out of it back here. Now it may be setting up to do something. We've got a nice tight symmetrical triangle in the chart. It looks like we have a bullish engulf yesterday. If this starts to break out up over the trend line, say a $1.30, well actually let's just go over a $1.31, $1.32. This could easily be up here in the $1.50 range. Breaks out of these highs, we're looking at $1.90, $2, and the possibility of even about $3.40, and that would take us to about the weekly 200-day moving average. Okay, we're going to close this out, get ready to go trading. I want to thank everybody for watching the video. Hope to see you in the trading room today. Thank you.